night. This is crazy. I just picked up my bike and it's flipping snowing, and pretty good too. At first it was just wet outside, but now it's actually sticking to the ground, which is not good. And on top of that, my ass is going to get very, very wet from this crap spraying up on my butt. But I just need to watch out for this slush shit on the road. This is going to be a sucky ride home. I'm going to be going slow. What are we doing here? We going? You got a green light. Gonna make it hard to see out of my visor. Got slush all over my visor. Boy, this is shitty. Pants are gonna get soaking wet. I need a windshield wiper on my visor. Bringing in a lot of bad stuff, but this is probably just stupid. A blizzard. We're supposed to get at least 4 inches of snow tonight. I don't know what the hell people are. Crack my visor here. Don't need my visor fogging up on top of snow sticking to it. This is fucking retarded. And props to Zylstra Harley. The guy thought I was crazy for showing up to pick up my bike in this weather, and offered to have them drop it off for free for me at home as they go and pick up other people's bikes for the winter. The other problem is my work schedule is ridiculous, and I would have no idea when I would actually be home for them to drop it off. So my luck, they would show up and no one would be home. We'll see if this was a smart choice or not to ride it back. As long as the ground's just wet, that's not a problem. It's not any different than riding in the rain, which also still sucks. What was I saying? Oh yeah, it's not any different than riding in the rain if the ground's just wet. But I did see a snowplow driving around, and he was dropping salt or sand on the road, one of the two, and that shit makes a mess and makes it very dangerous to ride sliding around on that crap. Come on. Got a green light. Let's utilize it. I'm gonna go. That's right. Here I come. All stuffed up and snorting. Doesn't feel nearly as cold as it did the other day when I dropped my bike off. It's still cold, but I think the other day that wind was going 40 plus miles an hour, and that just really increased the suckage. All this crap on the road has just soaked my pants. I got ice. I got ice on my pants. They're wet and it's cold. They're frozen. Oh boy. That is chilly. I have ice stuck on my pants. That's pretty sad, people. The goddamn motorcycle just passed you up. You're going below the speed limit in regular vehicles because there's a little bit of snow. A motorcycle just passed you. That should be a clue. You need to speed the fuck up. If you are that scared, you probably shouldn't be on the road. Granted, I am a little crazy for doing this, but really, if I am passing you in your car, or your van, or your truck, you should be embarrassed. You could probably imagine some of the looks I've seen on people's faces sitting at these lights or driving past them. Oh, crossing the center line again, that's scary. Oh shit. I almost lost my back end right there. Oh God. This is scary now. I'm afraid to wipe my visor. I'm afraid to take my hand off. Oh God. Off the steering. Lose balance. This shit is getting pretty slick on the road. Put my hazards on here. There is a lot more shit on the road here than there was 5 minutes ago. And thank God I was able to save the back end from sliding on me there a minute ago. It had broke loose. I was sliding back and forth. Well, that was a pucker moment. That was a pucker moment. Now the question is, I am getting close to home. Do I try to take the shorter way, which part of it is a gravel road, or, oh boy, look at all this damn slush here. The longer way, and I think I'm going to take the short way on the gravel road because it is shorter. At least that guy behind me is giving me a lot of distance. If I could, I would thank him for that. He's not riding my ass. Alright, I'm gonna have to come to almost a complete stop here to turn on this icy shit. Oh, look at all this snow on the bridge. Oh God. Oh, there we go. Truck's staying behind me. Oh, look at this road. No one's been driving on it. This is full of slush and shit. At least it's straight and it's flat. Just gotta hold it together here. Boom, boom, boom. We'll go like that. That gravel should actually help me with a little traction, I would think. this is not good. Make it all this way. Just to fuck up here. I'm gonna let this guy get around me instead of holding him up. Go around me, buddy. Go ahead. Oh man. Vehicles have packed this shit down. But hopefully it's not as... Oh boy. Oh, and it's bumpy gravel road. Oh. Even though this is definitely probably the safest option because it cuts off a couple miles if I had to go the other way. Those guys at Harley just cleaned my bike. They just washed it. It was beautiful. Spotless and shiny. Spotless and shiny. And now... I mean, most of this is just watery snow slush, but now on this gravel road... Oh, we got some dirt in here too. Alright, sharp curve here. Oh god, whoa, just about lost it right there. That's the second one. Alright, keep it together. Be gentle on the throttle. This bike has so much power and more importantly torque. This would, there's no problem breaking loose the back tire in regular conditions. Let alone goddamn slippery, icy, slushy, snowy bullshit. Just try and keep it upright as much as possible. Don't lean it over. Be gentle with the gas. Oh, there's slip report there. Just gonna keep my feet down at the sides for some balance. This was terrible.